Hello! Today we have the Fullmosa 22mm stainless steel watch strap on our table. Have fun with the video! Nice that you found the way to us. We would be very happy if you leave us a sub or comment here. As you can see, the packaging is very simple. There's just some text on the back. Then we take a look inside the box. The box itself is sealed. Therefore, we cut open the seal quickly. Oh, weird plastic inserts. These are usually not a good sign of a high quality product. But let's see further. First we find some mounting accessories. Then we have the bracelet itself. A few assembly and replacement parts, and of course some paperwork. As usual, we start with the less interesting parts. As always, the paperwork starts. Here we have a short invitation card. In the description. Here is a nice and clean description of how the assembly and the length change of the bracelet works. Then we have the assembly aid. This is completely made of plastic. The quality is nothing special, but it should hold up for a few assemblies. Then we have a metal tool for assembly. This works a bit better than the plastic part. Then we have some mounting pins. As you can see from the number, these are for 22mm straps. I ordered the band from a Galaxy watch. Here the size 22mm is required. Last but not least, we have the bracelet itself. As I said, I have the 22mm version in blank stainless steel. There are also other versions with different finishes. However, I think the workmanship and quality of the strap is very good. I would have expected really worse after the packaging. The limbs themselves are very beautiful and nothing looks like it will break after a few days. On the inside you can see the removable links of the ribbon by the arrows. The mechanics itself also works very well and neatly. Otherwise, there's not much you can do wrong. Insert the pin, adjust the length to the circumference of your hand. Complete. Well, my conclusion. So, I have been using the strap for a while since the video was recorded. Therefore, based on my experience, I can assure you that the quality is absolutely fine. Only the assembly tool is to be criticized. Since this is made of plastic, its lifespan is not great. But in theory, you shouldn't need them often. So, actually just okay. Otherwise, my bracelet holds very well. Both the links and the clasp have never caused problems. As I said, I mounted the band on my Samsung Galaxy Watch. The only thing that obviously happens is scratches on the metal. But this is normal wear and tear if you wear them every day. So, you cannot blame the manufacturer for this. Hence, on my part, a recommendation for the Fullmosa watch strap. Nice that you were here today. We would be very happy if you subscribe to the channel. This further helps us to be able to produce great things for you. Thanks. See you next time.